had a good night's rest and enjoyed your breakfast. The yellow light on our left-hand side is Paris, and we'll be commencing our descent for London in 10 minutes' time. The weather there, it's a bit hazy, reduced visibility and haze. Temperature on the ground, 6 degrees. Expecting to touch down 5 minutes past the hour. It's now 28 minutes past 5 in the morning in London. And so 5 past 6 should be touching down. Normally air traffic controls order us to enter into the holding pattern over Beacon. But the delay is not normally more than about 10 minutes, just to fit us into the morning traffic pattern.
Gentlemen, we have begun our approach. In preparation for landing, if you have used your cabin baggage during the flight, make sure that it is safely packed away either underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead stowage compartment. Stow your duvets, blankets, and pillows either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead stowage compartments. Be careful when opening the overhead stowage compartments, as some luggage may have shifted during the flight after we have landed. As a reminder, certain seats in economy class may not accommodate cabin baggage or loose items underneath the seats. Ensure that these items are placed in the overhead stowage compartment. Ensure that your tray table, footrest, armrest, personal television, and personal items are stowed. That all window shutters are open, your seat back is in the upright position, and that your seat belt is fastened. The cabin lights will be dimmed for the landing. If necessary, please use the reading light at your seat. Cabin crew, prepare the cabin for landing.
Cabin crew, 10 minutes to landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Airport. Remain seated to the seatbelt fasten until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt lights. You may then disembark. Be careful when opening the weather lockers as some luggage left you during the landing. Also make sure that you have all your personal possessions with you. Keep your cellular phone switched off until you have opened the doors. If you need any help during this vacation, remain in the seat. Once all other passengers have disembarked, a cabin crew member will let assist you. On behalf of the captain, myself and the crew, we trust that you have enjoyed the flight with us. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye. Tamang Handle. Hambani Gashe. Since
on the descent, the weather changed quite rapidly and the visibility reduced, as you can see outside. We just did a fully automated landing with a Category 3 landing, which we're all trained for and the aircraft is equipped with. So it's always a nice experience and nice to see the equipment work well. Well, welcome in London, welcome home. And for those of you coming home after a weekend in South Africa, sunny South Africa, hope to see you soon again. Bye-bye. We'll be parked shortly and connect to the bridge and you'll be able to disembark. Thank you, goodbye.